Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick reverse parking video. This kind of parking, the style of parking is called a 45-degree reverse parking. So I'm going to park into this space right here. Right now, if you look, my shoulder is lined up with the space. So my shoulder is lined up with the middle of the space. So if you look at, based on where the camera is pointing, you know my shoulder, my hand is right in the middle of the parking space. So what you would do, you would put the car in drive, your car is in drive, you signal left, look around, look in the mirror here, look in your side mirrors, look around, make sure there's no one coming, make sure it's clear, turn your wheel all the way to the left, and you're gonna roll forward. And you're gonna stop before you go into the parking space over on that side, on the left side of the road. Then you're gonna put the car in reverse. You're going to turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, and you're going to roll into the parking space. As you get to about here, you're going to use your mirrors, and you're going to straighten up as you roll into the space. Turn the wheel, straighten the wheel, and roll straight into the parking space. If you look right there, you'll see lined up. See? It's perfectly lined up here, and it's perfectly lined up there. So you basically start on the right side, line up your shoulder with the middle of the parking space, turn all the way to the left, go all the way over to the left side of the road, and then right before you go into the space, the back of your car should be in the middle of your space by the time you do that. Turn the wheel all the way to the right, using your side mirrors, looking behind you, and roll your way into the parking space. You're going to use the mirrors to guide you in, and just roll into the parking space. It's actually quite easy. Let me do it again. So I'm going to go forward here, and I'm going to find a space on the right side to back into. So I'm going to back into this third space right here. So again, I'm going to come until my mirror is lined up. Now my mirror, my shoulder is lined up in the middle of the space. We're going to signal left, turn the steering wheel all the way left. We're going to roll forward, and you're going to stop before you go into the parking space. Put the car in reverse, turn the wheel all the way to the right, and if you're looking behind there, you're going to press very gently on the gas, and as you get into the center of the lane, this parking space I should say, you're going to start straightening up, and you're going to use your mirror to help to guide you in. Use your side mirrors to guide you into the space. Use both mirrors to guide you in. And when you go into the space and straighten your wheel, when you stop into the parking space, your wheel should be straight like that, right? And you will see that again, I'm into the space, I'm straight. And if you look over here, you'll see it's straight. So one more time, you start on the right side, line up your shoulder with the middle of the space that you're trying to park in. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, roll forward, stop right before you get into the parking space. Turn the wheel all the way to the right as you reverse. When you get to the center of the parking space, you're going to straighten your wheel. You look back, you can use your rear view mirror, use the side mirrors and look back and try to guide your way into the parking space. I mean, it's going to take a lot of practice, but with practice, it gets very, very easy. Alright? Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you on the next video.